Okay, girls, let's get to where we can finish up our word wall. Go ahead and finish your last equations, and then let's put them down. Okay, we can set those off to the side. Put those away for now. When we were doing the word wall, did we see the use of addition? Did anybody see addition at all?
Mm-hmm.
You did? Both of you?
Yes.
Okay. Does everybody feel like they got most of them right, or they did well?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I will get those results pretty quick, and then we'll be able to make changes on where I see any problem areas. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using a mini animal book with word problems, and we will be working out of this. So why don't you all go ahead, I'll let you take a look first, and you can look through it. Does anybody see any of their favorite animals in the problem? Look through the book and tell me what your favorite animal is in there. Go ahead, Elliot. Which one was the cows? Aston?
The dogs.
The dogs? Oh, yeah. Yeah, because you recently had puppies, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, let's begin with, let's work on we'll go ahead and close those for right now. And let's start up here with the word problem that we have on the board. And, Ellie, do you want to read that for us?
Max has 4 baby cows. Max bought 7 more cows. How many cows does Max have now?
Okay. How do we know if that's addition or subtraction? Go ahead, Anson.
Because it says he bought more.
More. More is the key word for addition. Correct. Okay. So, does anybody, how would we create an equation for that? Go ahead. You can know the answer.
We go 4 plus 7, and we draw a box with a question mark. And
That's
then
right.
add it up.
So 4 plus 7 equals question mark. Do we know the answer, Elliot?
11.
11. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. So question mark or box for our equation would be equals 11. All right. So let's do another story problem. I'm going to pull one from here first. Okay. Let's go ahead and open up to your books. I've got a starting page in there for you guys. Okay. So let's say this. Let's say that we have that Elliot had 16 horses she was training. And the owner came and took 10 of them away. How many horses are left? So to begin with, would that be addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Okay, that's true. Let's raise our hand next time. So our equation would be what, Anson?
Our equation would be 16 minus 10 equals question.
And do you know the answer?
Yeah, 16 minus 10 is 6.
Okay. So we can tell the difference between addition and subtraction, correct? Mm-hmm. So we're going to focus on addition for right now. Okay. So what if I said Ellie has $10. She earned 5 more. How many dollars does she have now?
50.
So what do we know? What is the information that we know? Raise your hand, please. Okay, what's the known information, Ellie? That we know
10,
that Ellie has
10 plus 5.
10 and 5. So 10 plus 5 is the equation. And since she gave us the equation, what would the answer to the equation be?
It would be 15.
It would be 15. Good job. Is there a way to check our work if we were to do that? How could we check our work to know that we had the right answer?
We could
Go ahead.
But if we wanted to check our work, we could use our things and we could mark them off.
We could. But what about if we know that 10 plus 5 equals 15? Okay. If we were to put that in the triangle, do you remember how we found that? Remember the fact families?
Mm-hmm.
How would we check it? The fact family? So if we were 15, 10, and 5. Do you remember how we could check that?
Yeah.
10 plus 5 equals 15, correct?
Yeah.
15 minus 5 equals 10. So we could check our work, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so let's not forget that we have the triangle fact family that we can do as well. Okay? So what I want you to do now is take your mini books. Oh, you can work together for the first 3. And I want you to create an equation and solve for both. So if you need to move your chairs a little closer, that's fine. Go ahead. Let's do the first 3, which will be the turtle problem, the butterfly problem, and the cow word problem.
Okay. So, Ellie, we're doing the turtle one first.
Do it underneath, Elliot.
So that would
Work together.
12 plus 7. Yeah, it's 12 plus, yes, 7. So we gotta figure this out. So, Ellie, it's question mark, and now we gotta figure it out. So, 12, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I know what it is.
Don't think.
Ellie.
Let's work on it.
So it's a 19.
The first 3 together.
Let's do the next one.
Next page, Elliot.
So the butterfly.
Elliot, we're going this way. Okay. Make an equation
So
for each of them, please.
4
Take what we know
plus
and what we don't know.
6. 6 equals. It equals 10. So now we gotta do the cow problem. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 plus 2. So 9 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So you take away 1. I already know. It's 11. Yeah. It's basically the same thing. All you need to do is take away 1. Yeah. Because it's not 10. Oh, 3.
Okay, are we finished?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go back to the first
Wait, what about
turtle problem. We'll finish those. We're going to do the first 3 together. Okay, so what we have, what did we come up with for an equation? Go ahead, Anston.
We did 12 plus 7 equals 19.
Okay, 12 plus 7. That's correct. Elliot, did you come up? Same answer? You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. Elliot, let me know the equation that you came up with. First, what was known? What 2 numbers were known?
4 plus 6.
4 and 6, okay? And we were able to know that that equals
10.
10. Good job. Okay, our last one that we worked together. Go ahead, Anson.
We did 9 plus 2.
9 plus 2 would be our equation, correct? Equals
11.
11. Good job, girls. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to have you switch up, and we're going to treat you two as if you were my focus student. Okay?
Okay.
So what we will do is we're going to use our manipulatives here, which are going to be these blue and red discs. And so what I want you to do, let me pick out the word problem here for you.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do the puppy word problem, Anson, since puppies were your favorite. Okay, so what we're going to have, what I want you to do is separate into groups, 2 groups with the word problem, and then we will count those through completely. So our word problem is going to be, Aniston had 6 puppies. Then Ellie gave her 8 more puppies. How many puppies does Aniston now have? Aniston had 6 puppies,
Got the 6.
and then Elliot gave her 8 more puppies. How many puppies does she now have? So what is known, Anson? How many puppies did you start with?
I started with 6.
6, so you have a group of how many red discs?
6.
Okay. And Elliot, how many puppies did you give her?
8.
8 puppies, so you have a group of how many blue discs?
8.
Okay, so let's physically count each of those and treat you as a focus student.
6.
No. Can you please count out loud?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So our equation would be
6 plus 8. 8 equals 14.
equals 14. Fantastic job. Great job, girls. Okay, so we've covered addition. We know how to find addition, and we know how to make equations. Does everybody feel confident with all of those?
Yeah.
Great job, girls. Thank you.